Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. What if a mysterious sound could harm you? The phenomenon known as Havana Syndrome has baffled experts and left victims with unexplained symptoms like dizziness, headaches, and severe memory loss. Some suspect a secret sound weapon might be to blame. In this video, we're giving you the chance to hear the eerie sound believed to be behind these troubling symptoms. Could this be the key to unlocking the mystery? Listen closely and decide for yourself what might be causing this strange and unsettling phenomenon.